Welcome back to another video, and I'm going to be making a Rubik's Cube cake. So the first thing you want to do is make the banana cake for the structure, and right now I am mixing the flour with the baking soda and the salt. Just take a look at this. So yeah. Okay, so right now we're mixing the butter with the sugar, and I have some little help here. Then we added the egg and the flour. We're also adding the buttermilk in there with it, and he seems to be loving it. And to top it off, the drum roll, please. Banana. Some help again, and we're putting banana mixture in there. Okay, we're putting it in the oven now. So let's do this. And there it goes. And close it up. And there you go.
1 hour later.
Oh, there you go. And I'm taking it out. There you go. Let's look at the results. So as you can see, it's nice and brown. And let's put the thing in, and then it comes out clean. So we're good. So these are the two ingredients that we have for our buttercream frosting. So we have powdered sugar and butter, and then we're also going to use vanilla extract to make it good. And then we also have food coloring to make it look black for the crevices. And also milk. Now for the satisfying part. We have the black food coloring. So let's put it in there. Now I'm trying to create the different colors for the Rubik's Cube. So it's gonna be a scrambled Rubik's Cube, and it will look something like this. So as you can see, we're starting with white, and I use this cling wrap roller to roll my fondant. Over here, I am covering the 3 pieces of cake in buttercream frosting and stacking them on top of each other. Now we stacked up the 3 parts of the cake to make it have the Rubik's Cube look, and we'll see what happens next. This is our scramble, and we're just trying to put it around the whole cube. As you can see, we already started, and my sister's doing this side, and then we're just gonna fill it up according to this pattern. If you liked this video, then have you ever considered subscribing? And maybe hit that like button, and don't forget to comment down below what I should do in my next video. And the cube is done! For the taste test. Mama. It's good. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you back in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.